I'm going to show you how to attach the filter fresh onto the filter. So first you have a piece of cardboard here that you have to remove from the back of the, you remove the cardboard and then you have to turn it over. You have these, you have to take out the inserts. I think that's what they're called. They call them these little things here. You have to remove these pieces off of here. They call them the cutouts. You have to remove the cutouts. So you just keep pulling them off. They come off pretty easy. You basically could turn it over and just pull them off. Pull it off. Uh-oh, that piece kind of broke a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It still pulls off. And then you take that piece, you take it off. So you have to remove this. You remove that, and then you take this S piece, you remove that, and then you kind of just set it on here, like so, and you attach it. The way you attach it is you put your piece in here, your S piece goes here, and then you just kind of attach you attach this piece inside of there, like so. Then what I did is I just took it and I tucked it in the edges, or one of the edges, whichever edge works. You can put it in the edge depending on how you put it in there, but you stick it in the edge of that just to hold it, because otherwise it goes like this. But you can take these pieces and stick them in here, and that will hold them inside. Well, kind of holds it in place. Like that. And then you stick it on you stick your filter inside your furnace vent. Okay, so that's how you do it. All right? Okay.